Hey there, so I was looking on a E3 error code incline malfunction on how we can possibly fix the issue. So this is what I found. Maybe this is going to be completely useless. So ensure that the incline cables are securely connected. If any of the cables connectors appear loose, completely power off and unplug the treadmill. And before unplugging and reattaching the cables, you want to have the cables have been completely reattached, plug in and turn on the treadmill. So also, if the error code is still showing that the incline cables are securely connected, check to see if the incline mechanism is stuck or damaged. So also that is something that you can also check. If the incline mechanism appears stuck, complete power off and unplug the treadmill before attempting to dislodge the incline mechanism. I know maybe this is going to fix that. Maybe you're gonna know what to do now, maybe not. I'm sorry if this video was completely useless. I tried to just like find the solution for it for you. So even when I on Reddit, I just couldn't find any information here regards this on how to possibly fix it. So yeah.